And it's just a massive cockroach, the biggest one we've had yet. Hello. Bistro empty. Oh wow, that's huge, that. Not noticed in here from TikTok. And you got something right at the end, but it looks like, can you see it? Oh, it makes us feel ill. Hello.
Good morning from Port Barton. It is our second full day here and we are currently out and about. We are going to collect our washing that were dropped off yesterday, and that was 150 pesos for our 2 washing bags. We're then going to go to get some dinner, and we found a shop that sells gyros, so we're going to go there. Apparently they're quite cheap. And then we're going to the beach, which I have forgotten the name of, but we will show you that, of course, when we get there. And this is our washing shop. It is called Mount Laundry.
Hi. We have some clothes to pick up. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye. Washing collectors. It doesn't look very big.
It doesn't, to be fair.
Where is the rest?
Yeah. You sure, are we?
Well, we'll have a look when we get back and see if we can think of anything that's missing, but it looks a little bit small.
Oh no, Dean, I just noticed something.
What?
We've got a serious issue right now.
What?
Give us a shoe, we'll close the door. I don't know what to do.
Well, I'm gonna have to move it.
It's too big for us to touch that, dude. I've never seen a cockroach that big, have I? I've lost it.
There it is on the floor, behind the toilet brush.
Seriously?
Yeah.
It's on the toilet brush. I got it.
Like, actually did?
I'll flush that one.
Yeah.
Right, we're in Port Barton, third day, final day. Wait, fourth day?
Third full day.
Third full day, final day here. We did say we were going to get a gyros yesterday, but we didn't because it was closed. So then we just went and done nothing pretty much because it was starting thunder and lightning. So I hedged our bets that it was going to lash down, and it didn't. It rained, but it wasn't lashing down. So yeah, we didn't really do much, to be honest with you. There's not too much to do here, is there not? There's
the white beach and coconut beach, but the road to get there is horrendous.
Mental, yeah.
So we don't really want to go back again to go to coconut beach because it was that bad. There's like the island tour and stuff, but we'd rather save our money and do the one in El Nido because that's going to be better. And that's it, really.
And that's all, aye. So we're just going to go find some food now and chill out for a bit.
Do some planning for Japan. Japan.
Oh yeah, we booked our bus yesterday to El Nido. It's about 3 hours, I think. And it was 600 pesos each, which is about £8.50 each, I think, round about. So yeah.
You have to see what we found yesterday in our room.
Oh, we're about to go in the shower. We got in, we were about to go in the shower. I was literally on the toilet, jumping in the shower, and then I noticed something in the corner of my eye, and it's just a massive cockroach, the biggest one we've had yet. Bear in mind, the hotel is clean. Like, look, it's not a dirty place, and our rooms are really nice and clean as well.
Yeah.
So I think we're just a bit unfortunate. Which way?
Should we try this way?
Yeah, this way. I think we're a bit unfortunate, like, but it was like, when I say big, it was like maybe this big, and then its legs, and then its antennas.
And its antennas were the same size, if not longer, than the actual body of the cockroach. They were huge in the light.
Yeah, it was huge. It was about the size of me palm. Yeah, maybe a little bit smaller than me, but I killed it anyway with a shoe. It got flattened, to say the least. This is like the street. I don't know if you showed you the street, but there were all like little shops like this. So we went in there the other day. That was alright. Yeah, but this is what it looks like pretty much. It's a nice little area, to be honest. A lot of them have pizza ovens like this. Nearly everywhere has pizza ovens. But every bit of food we've had so far has been like unreal. So here in Port Barton, food is meant to be really nice. Do you not need a cat, dude?
No, but I don't really want one with Port Barton written on. I want my night one back.
I know. We'll find you like one, eh?
That was such a sad time.
Some more shops. Hello. Have a look up there if you want. Yeah, well. We've got Crocs. I need some new Birks, like, to be fair. Don't need Birks, man, they were ripped to pieces.
Black ones.
Too tight. Actually, yeah. I like my money too much. Pretty much since we've left Thailand, Malaysia had good stalls. Since we've left like Thailand and Malaysia, we haven't really seen like as many fake clothes as what you see in Thailand. Like shoes everywhere and stuff like that. I haven't really seen all that. Kids have got basketball, kids riding the bike. They love basketball here. It's like their main sport. We're in this little restaurant. What's it called?
Cheese brew.
Huh? Cheese brew. That's the drinks menu. I'm getting a cheesy tuna cassia. And he's getting a what? Cheese and mushroom. Where? We'll show you when it comes. Oh,
Caramel latte.
caramel latte. Yeah.
And I might try a strawberry cooler.
I try that. Yeah. Ice caramel
Latte.
It's nice. Right, there's me quesadillas. Look, we'll be them actually. And there's eggs and all
This jam is so nice. I don't think it's strawberry. Maybe blackberry, something.
10 out of 10 from me.
And it was 735 pesos.
Which is about a tenner. Literally almost dead on the tenner. We've got a little sign here saying if we did well, please ring the bell. And I think they did well. Thank you. We're going back to Barton Beach Road because it's our favourite place. And to be fair, it's going to rain, so we might do some editing. Chill out and just stay there all day. What else is there to do?
So you got any jellyfish?
I showed you the jellyfish the other day. That was fucking huge, that one. But they're all over. And it's jellyfish season. Oh, there's loads of fish here. I don't know if you can see them. Loads. But they're all over the jellyfish. It is jellyfish season, I think. I think it finishes soon. Hopefully they're gone by the time I get down here. I doubt it, but maybe. I'm bistro empty. No, there's no seats on the balcony. There's no balcony seats. Oh wow, that's huge, huh?
No.
Like a blubber.
That's like a, when you think of a jellyfish, that's all, like what you think of.
Yeah, it is, yeah. Right, hopefully you can hear us in the music. I talk over the music. But we're seeing Warren Daily Vlogs here. He's got like 45,000 subscribers on YouTube. And then I forgot to tell you yesterday, I got noticed in here from TikTok. We were sitting down there, and this young lad comes over and says, "Oh, you're from TikTok?" And I asked him straight away. I was like, "Oh yeah, I noticed you as well." So yeah, I'm famous now. And I didn't realise until I got back to the hotel room, he had 20,000 followers on TikTok. I've only got like 2,000 followers. We're just sitting there. I got a mango shake. He's got fresh lemonade. That's perfect. But he's just edited the borehole vlog, which you'll have already seen by the time this is out. So yeah. Exporting now.
Exporting.
Coming in the past couple of nights, and the dog just walks out on the roof. She goes down a little hole down here, and then walks along. And just funks herself on the edge and goes to sleep. We're gonna go back to the hotel now because it's stopped raining, and we're getting a bit hot. It's very humid. Unless you just have a wander down the beach and back up. Huh? Just something to do.
Yeah.
Right, we'll wander down the beach first. Oh, see if there's somewhere nice. We just got loads of these are like little bungalows, aren't they?
Yep.
Nice bungalows. And you got something right at the end, but it looks good. Can you see it? Quieter down this. Literally everyone's just in Barton Beach, isn't it?
Yeah.
Everyone.
Yeah.
It is good, like, it is nice. Food's lovely. Good songs. There's cover from the rain. And I think that's about it. It doesn't look like there's much down here. Oh my god, there's so many crabs. It's freaky. It's freaking us out all the holes. Oh, I've got to get off it. Oh, it makes us feel ill. It's like, there's a word for it, like a phobia. Just loads of holes. I generally and feel the sick in me throat. That's how horrible it makes us feel. So if you're wondering how fresh the fish is here in Port Barton, well, just anywhere in Southeast Asia with you, to be honest with you, that's how fresh it is. Like, that is huge. Hello, it's big. At the edge of the beach, kids play in the water, kayakers come in. Nice little bar area. I think this is when maybe do the tours. It seems like a tour place. And we're just going to walk to the bottom, see what's there. Probably now, but worth a walk. Nice little dog hold. That's a lovely dog. And yeah. Nice dog. We get the bottom, doesn't look like there's much. Do we, you here? Not much towards the bottom of the beach. So yeah. Oh, that's a nicer view. You got a gist of what's going on there. Like, so them mountains are literally all around us. So we're just in a little valley. But pretty much. A port, which is to say. Yeah, man. Port? That's what it is, huh? Port. This bloke here looks to be building a boat. Or at least doing it up from a boat. Wonder how long that's took him to do that. Hello. Oh, very nice. Yeah, he's doing it at the back as well. They've got like bamboo scaffolding to keep it up. Ow. Right, we're in the shop. Looking for snacks for Eve for tomorrow. I don't think there's much left on the SD card, so I might cut out. Yeah, this might be the end of today's vlog until we get stuff on the SD card. So if you're still here, make sure to subscribe and like the video and share the video. We just reached 100 subs, so thank you. We'll try and reach 200. Yeah? Yeah. Right, we're back.
Hiya. Bug cream. Is it empty already? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
We're going out for food, tea. We came back, cooled down. Eve got a jam, because that's where we finished off, I think. A jam and some buns, which she hasn't tried yet, but blueberry jam. So hopefully she likes it. And then, yeah, travel day tomorrow. But yeah, we're just going to go for some scran. Want some Michael's Sicily, is that right?
Sicily, yes.
Sicily, because I want some pasta. What's it called, the pasta?
Carbonara?
Carbonara. Right, we're here. Sicily. See what it's about when we're going. Looks alright, doesn't look too quiet. We're on a different one because the lasagna was just sitting out. We don't know how long it'll be sitting out for, and that's what they wanted. So we're going to try a different one, hopefully. We'll get some further. Hello. This is what it's called, Long Cebu Trattoria. Cheers off. Right, so they've got absolutely loads to choose from, loads of appetizers, pork, soups, noodles, pizzas, burgers. I think I might go for a carbonara. I did say I wanted one. Right, carbonara with mushroom, with some sprinkled garlic, I think. 2 slices of toast, but I think it's bread. And these is mandocana, mushrooms. What's on top? Oregano.
I don't know. Something. It smells quite cheesy.
It smells unreal. It's very cheesy and creamy. That's really sweet.